Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's Chad Henry here for you again at Holiday Motors. Today with this gorgeous eternal blue mica. That's what they call this beautiful blue color on this 2018 Mazda 3 touring hatchback model. Very, very cool little car. Great fuel economy, good lines, good looking body style. This little car is 4-cylinder engine with tons of power. This is a one-owner car. Again, 2018 with just 12,000 miles on it. So really low miles on it. Very well taken care of. Super clean inside and out. Paint and body are beautiful. Nicely equipped. And this does have leather interior in it. Power driver's seat. As you can see, hardly any wear at all on the seat. Hardly any wear at all on the car. Just super clean, very, very well kept. As you can see here, let's see, 12,263 miles. It is Bluetooth compatible. Of course, it does have the auxiliary inputs there with the USBs, driver and passenger side climate control, heated seats, and then we do have navigation here as well. Of course, all your communications, your Bluetooth hookups, nav settings, everything else. Very easy to operate by this turn dial here. And then you have your front cup holders here. With a little glove box, center console area. You scared me. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
All right. I'm gonna open the back door and show them the back seat. Yeah. Lots of room back there. Center armrest. And of course, these seats do fold down if you ever have that kind of large cargo that you need to throw into the back. Wanna show them your favorite part?
I know.
What was it? The back when you tried to climb in there?
There's lots of space in here. There's also this little
Cubby hole where the jack is. And then the spares underneath of this mat. There you go. There's their spare. Just a really neat car. Also has backup camera. Forgot to show you that while I was inside of it. But available today. You can find it online at www.holidaymotors.com, in person here at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. And you can call or text us directly at 757-487-7333. Tons of great financing options, all different types of credit. Warranty is included. This is still under remaining factory warranty. And we can help arrange for shipping and even bring it to you for delivery and even test drives if you're in the local area. So call or text us today, 757-487-7333. Holiday Motors, right here since 1974. We appreciate you watching as always and look forward to meeting you. Say bye.